Bit of FX on at the minute, lad.
Oh, what are you playing now?
Just one of his albums. I didn't even know which album it was.
Did you? I don't know you don't know it.
Yeah, it's a zombie. I think it's
Oh,
stuck
it's a zombie.
inside.
I'll
Yeah.
fucking... Oh, shit, no, he's there.
I'm silenced. Hang on. Oh, go on.
Go ahead, get him.
There we go.
Nice.
The HKs are actually
shit,
silenced now, mate. I know. Mad, innit? Oh, you bleeding? Shit.
Yeah. Fuck, I did one swipe on me then.
Have you
fucking
only...
zombie.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, I
Yeah,
told
they-
you. It's mad, innit? They proper made the damage, like, high. And when you know, when you used to hit them with a knife,
Yeah.
it knocked them back usually, didn't it? It doesn't knock them back anymore. It's mad.
That's not gonna be good.
No, that's why you might as well just start using your pistol now. But 5.56 kills into the body now. So the weapons
Yeah.
have had improved damage by the look of it.
Yeah.
I fall in here, lad. Any seeds
Actually,
in here?
oh, that's a shout, actually. I need the fucking cash. Oh, zombie.
Where? I'll get it. Here we go.
Shot him through the fence
I
as
know.
well.
You muffet.
Do you know, actually, I'm just gonna like lie down in this house just for 1 minute because I need a fucking shit.
Wow, okay. What the fuck? Go upstairs so I can watch you upstairs. Don't lie down either, just fucking kneel down or some shit. Because I'll be here, you don't need to act like you're AFK.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, sound okay.
Just keep me out of the way of the window.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
one sec.
Okay. Okay, now I'll take your heads off. Feel so shit doing this now, fuck's sake. Han Solo. Oh. Battery. Yeah, okay, no nails, there we go, fuck it. Why is he carrying money on him, the fucking goon? And then obviously my inventory as well. Nothing in there. 2 seeds I found before. But yeah, okay. So yeah, you guys can fucking, I suppose, ravage amongst yourselves now.